Hello everyone. Please, how do we make this video go viral? Because it is going to benefit a lot of JSS students. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to convert numbers from base 10 to base 2 using just our fingers. All right, I have some numbers here, 2 down to 10. We are going to continue further. I have drawn my 5 fingers here, you can see them. So how do we start? This one should be 1, so let me write it here. But it doesn't matter, you can count from either direction, you can start from the thumb. But I just decided to start from here. I told you it doesn't matter. Then the next one, you should assign 2 times the previous one. 2 times 1, this will be 2. Then 2 times 2, this will be 4. 2 times 4, this will be 8. 2 times 8, this will be 16. And you're done. Please, if you're counting, always start from this direction where you have the larger number, 16. Irrespective of how you arrange the numbers, please start from this direction. As you count, go like this. All right, how do we convert 2, which is a number in base 10, to base 2? Locate 2. This is my 2, right? This finger is 2. So you should fold the rest. We only have 1 finger standing. So fingers standing should be considered as 1. Those that have been folded should be considered as 0. So we have 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. But those zeros before 1, they are not important. So we should start from 1, 0, 1, 0, base 2. Yes. Therefore, 2 is equivalent to 1, 0 in base 2. What about 3? We don't have 3. But I know by adding 2 and 1, we shall obtain 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we are going to assume this is our 3. Fold the rest. We have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, right? But these zeros are not important before the number. So we are only going to consider 1, 1. 11 in base 2. So what about 4? We have 4 right here. So we are going to fold the whole of this 4, leaving only this. So it will be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. But start counting here. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 in base 2. What about 5? We don't have 5. So if you don't have a number, find a combination that will give you that number. But if the number is present, you have to use that number. So 5 is not here, but 4 and 1 will give us 5. So this and this will be folded. So it will be 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. But I'm not going to consider the first 2 zeros. I'm going to start here. 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1 in base 2. What about 6? 6 is not here as well, but I know 4 and 2 will give me 6. So I will start from this because this 2 will be 0. So it will be 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0 in base 2. What about 7? Do we have 7? No, we do. Okay, 4, 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So these 3 fingers will give us 7. So it will be 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So I'm just going to write it as 1, 1, 1 in base 2. You can confirm that. 8. I know, yeah, we have 8 here. So it will be 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. But I'm not going to consider the first 0 here. Rather, 1 and 3 zeros. 1, 0, 0, 0 in base 2. Then 9, a combination that will give us 9. I know 8 and 1 will give us 9. So it will be 0. I'm not going to consider the first 0, but 1 for 8. This 2 will be 0. And this one is standing, right? It will be 1. Then 10. 8 and 2 will give us 10. So we have 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0 in base 2. So how do we continue? I think you can take this one down. I'm going to wipe it and continue from 11 down to, maybe I'll be skipping some numbers. All right. So what is 11? I can see 8, 2 is 10, and 1 will give us 11. So it will be 1. This is 0. This is 1. And we have 1. This is 11, right? 8, 2, 2, and 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. All right. Then what about 14? I am skipping some numbers. You can test 12 and 13. So 14, let me see. 8, 4, and 2 will give us 14, right? These three numbers. So we have 1, 1, 1 straight. Then the last one will be 0. I told you to always start counting from where you have a finger standing. This is folded finger. It will be 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So the first 0 is not important. Then 17, where can we get 17? We have 16 and 1. That is equivalent to 17. So this will be 1. The three fingers are folded fingers, right? Then the last one. So we have 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 in base 2. Then 20, 16 and 4 is 20. So the first finger, the second one is folded. This one is standing. These two are folded fingers. So we have what? 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 in base 2. Then 25, where can I see 25? 16 and 8 will give us 24, right? Then 1, that is 25. So it will be 1, 1. Let me write 1, 1. These two zeros, these two fingers are folded. So the last one is 1. Then 27, let me see, 24, 25, 26, 27. Yeah, except this one, the middle finger. So it will be 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. You should confirm that, please. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 26 plus 1 is 27. So we only excluded the middle finger here. So it will be 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then 29. 24 plus 4 is 28. And this we have 29. So we are going to exclude this one. Look at it. 16 plus 8 is 24. Then 24 plus 4 is 28. Then plus 1 is 29. We are only excluding this one. So it will be 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Then 30. Okay, maybe I think I should leave this two for you. Try this. Bye-bye.